Alright guys and girls, Gincoza Outdoors here. We're going to go out and do a little shooting, a little messing around in the woods. As you see, we're going back into the Never Land. Oh Lord, I don't know about all this. I think there's some Sasquatches back here somewhere. Bears or something. Wow. Poor man won't never get out of here. If this thing breaks down, I won't never get out. They had to send a whiskey party after me. Got my main man Zach driving here on the mule. Got my little girl Bella in the back. My niece here, she's with us. She's gonna bring some beauty along with her. We're gonna have Beauty and the Beast. I'm ugly like a beast and she's pretty. All right, we're gonna get set up and I'll be right back with you. See ya. Okay. Hey y'all out in YouTube land. Redneck Rick here again. A little bit more shooting and stuff going on for Gincoza Outdoors. You remember right, I told you to start with, we're gonna be doing some everything to do with the outdoors. We're going to do a little leather work someday. We're going to do a little knife sharpening again. We're going to do some shooting, some motorcycle riding. Going to do a little motor vlogging coming up. Just some everything. You just don't ever know what we might come up with. Got my little helper here, little 7-year-old Bella, my little beautiful little niece here. Say hey.
Hello.
Tell hey out in YouTube land. Little Bella going to be a star. She's going to be my helper. So maybe give you some beauty out here. I'm the old ugly beast and she can be the beauty. Oh, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little shooting. I got a little 22 single action Chiappa pistol. Now, you see I'm holding it very carefully here, very safe. I've got it inside a little leather case that I made at the house, a little homemade case. Take it off, put it in my pocket, because that's where it goes. All right, folks, what I'm going to do is show you. Chamber's empty. No bullets, none here. You can see light through here, nothing going on. Boom, boom. All right. So, what we're going to do is load it. This Bella's going to help me load it. Come here, Bella. Open them up. There you go. There you go. We get this thing loaded up here. I can get them turned around.
How many more do you need?
I'm going to need about 6 more. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, one fell down. Sure my line.
Watch closely.
Now, I don't want you to be too upset about my marksmanship, because I'm going to tell you, it's been quite a while since I shot anything. Now, I'm going to have Bella step back out of the way. She's going to be totally, I need another bullets. Some more bullets, girl.
Any more?
Yeah. I need 2 more, I know. She's going to be totally out of the way. So, won't be any danger or anything going on with her. We're out in the middle of the woods. You can see there's miles ahead of us up here, nothing in the way. We're down here in South Georgia land.
I'll send you the bullet.
Okay, she's got the bullets. Okay. We all locked and loaded. I'm gonna put on my ears here. I can get a hold to them. Got one in. Get the fat man, get the other one in here. All right, we got ears in. I'll put my glasses on. All right. Oh Lord.
Close my ears.
All right, here we go now. I said don't laugh at fat man. Well, I ain't shot a pistol in years. Yeah, but it's all off to the left there, as you can see. That's a little better. group wasn't that bad. No longer than I shot, but it was certainly off the center. Well, that's how it is. That's how the old guy shoots.
He's getting good.
Yeah, hit it every time though, didn't I? All right, how about that? All right, we're gonna put the target back up and we'll go again. We'll aim at one of the other targets. I'm gonna let my main man Zach shoot this time. All right, baby. We got main man Zach up here. We done this one time before, and due to technical difficulties, operator error, I'm on the wrong end of the camera is what the problem is. So,
Yeah.
anyway, Zach, if you can take a shot here, if you can put some bullets out, and
Well,
just
I
so
want it
y'all
top
know,
left.
they know that I'm not hiding anything. His grouping was a whole lot better than mine. But
I want to
you
aim
know,
top left this
that's
time.
called my leg hurts and my back hurts, and I got a headache, and I can't see good. But
That's
he
it.
didn't have an excuse. See? All right, go shoot, go for it.
I'm
Shoot
gonna
him.
go bottom left. I said top left, but I'm gonna go bottom left.
Bottom left. Shoot him. Uh-oh. He killed him. Killing it again. Yeah. Say hi again.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna let Miss Bella shoot a little bit here. You see, she's got her ear protection in there, pointing up to ears. Let them see ear stuff. All right. She's got her safety glasses on. So we're gonna be real safe. Zach's gonna help her here. He can get down on his knees, kind of a little bit behind her. You can see he's pointing the gun at the ground. At no time will he let it touch her, point towards her. Knows what I'm trying to say.
You can
All
stand
right.
up.
You stand up, baby. Now,
Okay.
it's gonna, don't let it scare you. It's not going to hurt you. I promise you. It's just gonna make a lot of noise. All right, like that.
There you go. Can you see through the sights?
Mhm.
Okay. Now squeeze the trigger when you're ready. Don't yank it, just squeeze it.
We told you it wasn't gonna hurt.
Hand off the trigger. Squeeze when you're ready. Hand off the trigger.
You go, Bella.
Squeeze when you're ready. There you go. Hand off the trigger. Every time you shoot, put your finger out there, okay? Squeeze. There you go. Hand off trigger. Oh, watch out. Hand off trigger. Squeeze and ready. There you go. Hand off trigger.
Just so you know, guys, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. There are some road noise behind us there.
Put the front
In
sight
the direction that we're shooting
on
here,
that
which
little
is
on a red dot.
just another mile after mile, nothing but South Georgia woodland and swamp. So we're
Hand off
perfectly
trigger.
safe. Nothing behind us but trees. Nobody lives for another 5 miles down the road at least through
There
this
you go.
thick forest.
Look at that.
We're safe. Got a good backstop. We got trees all behind us.
Look at that.
Look at that girl go.
Oh.
All right, guys, that's gonna terminate this one. We'll be back with you next time. We're probably gonna bring the 45 out next time and do a little shooting with it. See if we can't do a little better. I'm not used to shooting these little bitty pistols. That's why I didn't do good. Got to use some kind of excuse. Y'all be good. You hear? Later.
Bye.